Okay, well, we've got Mr. Eric Martin back again today. This is his probation violation hearing. We can't get the domestic violence one, so it's one of them anyway. And Judge Slaven just verbally slaps the shit out of him. So, anyway, I think you're going to enjoy this. It's short, but to the point. Enjoy yourselves.
Ms. Sobe, you're here on the Martin matter, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Let's go have a conversation outside.
Okay. So everyone,
All right, today is the date and time set for a hearing in this matter with regard to a bond violation.
Judge Slaven's got a little cold or something working here, so bear with him.
This is case 242448SM, People versus Eric Martin. Everybody hear me?
yes. Good morning, Judge. Donna Silva on behalf of the people, P87439.
Morning, Your Honor. James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Martin, Your Honor. I have a motion to make.
All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, I was making a motion to withdraw. I've had contact Mr. Martin before in other matters.
Oh, can it be that Eric Martin can't get along with his attorney? Oh my goodness, what a surprise.
And there's no attorney-client communication in this matter. We're talking about different things, and there's just no way of moving forward that I can adequately represent him, Your Honor. So I'm asking to withdraw.
All right, your motion to withdraw is granted. Mr. Martin, would you like a different court-appointed attorney?
Yeah, I guess so, since he shows his willingness not to want to do his job and help me out, and he's misstating, making false statements. You're talking about there's a lack of communication. It certainly ain't on my part. I was pointing out to him relevant defenses. He just didn't want to do his job. That's clear what he made of me. So,
Mr. Martin, I have found Mr. Gazicki to be a very competent individual, a very competent attorney in many, many cases. I've seen many trials, hearings, motions, practicing in front of this court, and I find him to be very competent. If you make one more negative comment about him, I'll hold you in contempt of court. I don't do that. We don't act like this isn't the Jerry Springer show. This isn't going to be a bunch of name calling. You're going to knock it off. Knock it off, Mr. Martin. I'm done with everything and you keep doing all your little negative comments, things that you want to say about people. And you think you're the smartest person in the room and that you have some sort of special Juris Doctorate, I guess, from somewhere. I don't know, but you don't have the first clue when it comes to things, and you talk about that. And so Mr. Gazicki is saying that he's trying to talk to you about actual legal defenses, and you're trying to bring up some kind of other stuff. And so I'm going to grant his motion. Do you want, all I asked you was this. I didn't ask you to give me a commentary about Mr. Gazicki or what you think he can do, because I've always seen him to do his job every single time he does a file. What I want to know is, do you want another court-appointed attorney, or are you representing yourself? That's it. It's a simple question. Answer simple questions. That's what you needed to start doing, is answering questions.
Yep, one other attorney, but I want to state also that if it was recorded, that we would say it would support my allegations.
Boom, time out. Nope, not hearing it. The question is this: do you want another court-appointed attorney? So you're either going to say yes, court-appointed attorney, or represent yourself. What is your answer here today? Because there's only two possible answers here. You either get another attorney, or you can represent yourself if you'd like, or if you want to hire your own attorney, you can do that. So there's three things. Are you going to get one appointed, yourself, or retained? Those are the three possible answer choices. What are you going with?
Yes, another pointed one, but without.
All right, there you go. Don't need any more commentary. Don't need any more commentary about it. You have a right to remain silent. You can exercise that right now. So we're going to appoint another court-appointed attorney to you. And The individual who was here as your attorney during your trial, you seem to get along pretty well with him. You want me to reach out to see if he's available?
I don't know who you're referring to.
The guy who was here at your trial. I don't know his last name.
Oh, it's on the other trial.
Yeah, the other trial, not this case. This is the misdemeanor domestic violence case.
Okay, they're kind of sorting all this stuff out. This is the meat of it. You can see how the judge wasn't playing today and put Eric right in his place. So I don't think that will have any effect on Eric whatsoever. I think he will continue to be the ass that he is. So I'm going to let this play. Thanks for dropping in. Leave a comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Thanks again.
Talking about your driving on a suspended license case, restricted.
Well, I mean, he did for the most part. Well, I won't say for the most part. Maybe for the most part, but there's some things he didn't do neither. He should have. He didn't raise my right to travel defense. So
Yes or no? Yes or no? Is he somebody that you think you can get that you can communicate well with?
I guess we'll give him a try. I guess. Yeah.
Sure. All right. I'm going to appoint. Reach out and see if we can see if he's available. So let's appoint.
But now, Slaven, I have some questions for you before you move forward.
All right. So we're going to set that. We're going to set that for a hearing date, and we'll see you then.
Hold on.
No answers for you, Eric Martin.